Mark point positioning is a common vision processing method. Its principle is to set the mark point and the system recognizes it before every cutting, and then perform cutting after confirming the accurate positioning. This video will demonstrate the mark point machining. Get the drawing with mark points and import the corresponding pattern, confirming the style and size of mark point. Here we select the type as a circle and fill the identified circle diameter in D. About mark points with other styles, we need to fill in the length, width, and height respectively according to the software prompts. For special mark points, customized mark point template is supported. When encountering mark points with a black edge, we can select black or white for precise matching. Black identifies the graphics with a black edge, and white only identifies the white graphics. Select any mark and click Set First Mark Point to set the starting point, and then click Auto Search Mark Point. Add other points into Mark Point group. You can manually add or delete unrecognized or extra identified points. After adding the correct mark points, move the axis to make the camera focus on the starting point. Click Match Test. When the mark point is recognized successfully, we can set the current point as mark first to start processing. Sometimes, in order to better identify the mark points during machining, we can also set advanced parameters. Smooth regulates the smoothness of mark point. Overlap adjusts the overlapping percentage of mark point. Angle and timeout are for setting appropriate angle and timeout to improve matching efficiency. Angle calibration is used when X and Y axis have an include angle more than or less than 90 degrees. Search around is for extending the range of target searching when using enable second position. Stand time refers to the time that the camera stays in the identification area. You can increase the value properly when the imaging time of camera is long with poor light. Enable second position is used for improving precision when the target is far from the camera center. If many mark points are recognized, it can be adjusted by increasing similarity, reducing effective area, and regulating the camera sharpness. If there is an error of distance or angle deviation, we can properly increase the offset value while checking whether the material matches the vector image. After the mark point is all set the processing parameters such as layer and path optimization. If it is a material requiring high precision, and when there's a deviation between the material and vector image, we can select No Change when no deformation processing is required. Click Start to perform cutting. Well, that's all for mark point processing. See you next time.